my first wild camp, Saturday 17th of January, 2026 now. I'm just walking to where I'm going to camp. My first wild camp, so I'm kind of excited. I've done quite a bit of research and I've got my gear. And apart from that, I should be fine. Just got to be careful not falling here. I'm with my mate. A bit clueless, but I can't say much. I'm a bit clueless, but I don't want to slip in there. It looks quite deep there. But I found where we're going to go. It's a bit too open, but it's going to get dark soon. Seems like there's been people here already. They've left like a bunch of fire stuff and whatever. But there's not that much coverage, but like I say, it's going to get dark soon, so what I'm going to do is put the tent somewhere around here and probably just cover it in like branches or something. It's not really necessary, but we'll just see when we get bored or something. Just got the poles and the inner out, set that up. So now I'm just going to get the fly sheet and the, what's it called now, the pegs, and then just peg it all down. And then I'll see what I'm going to do after that. I moved the tent because there's stuff under the tent that's going to rip it. I kind of just dumped everything there whilst we're going to walk. Yeah, I've got my Orex Hero, big bottle of gas, frying pan, everything. I'll show you my food later. I'm just going to quickly go on a walk. Gone on the walk, found this little bridge and found another one up there. Back from the walk, tent's up there. Just sat here. I might try and make like a seat out of rock or something. Apart from that, it's fine. But what I've noticed is there's probably plenty of fire pits, but we might try and like destroy them and like move the rocks around and try and make like a little seat or something. And start picking up bits of that and just put it in like a bag or something. So there's like cans and stuff. Just put it away in a bag so then it looks nicer. Got the chilli cooking. It's almost ready. He's scrolling on this. I'm just making mine. I'm gonna have mine in a bowl. Got some cheese, chilli, and Doritos. Got what's it called? Tangy cheese. Just had my tea. I think I already said I've had Doritos, chilli and cheese. Wash my pots and stuff, and I'm just going to pick up like any litter I can see. These are mine. I don't really want to use the lake water. Like stuff like this. That's like a piece of pottery. But I'll just pick up anything. Picked up a decent amount of litter. Just put a rock on top because I'll carry on using the bag. Now I'm just going to clean that up and then probably sort the tent out, and then I'm not sure after that. I've got some more food planned, but can't bother cooking. Started like putting stuff neatly away. I'm hoping that sun, like all the clouds come back this way, because they was going over there earlier, but it's starting to come over here. So what I'm thinking is hopefully it'll come up there. I might get like a sunset or something. But I don't know if you can see all that paracord or whatever it is in the tree. I might try and make something with it later, but it's kind of hard to get to. It's like tied on, and there's loads of rocks and sticks and stuff, so I'll see what I can make. Got really bored, so I decided to build like a fireplace. It's got like a windbreak or whatever. I could put my gas and stuff on there. It's 9:15. We've made like a pit. We've like filled most of the gaps in, and then we just got some logs dropped off. So now we've got that going. I'm gonna make some s'mores, and yeah. And then I usually like would stay away from fires, but I thought if I made a nice pit and whatever, and got plenty of water around us, it's just a whole reservoir there. And yeah, see you. 10 o'clock. Decided to go on a walk at Liverpool Castle. Right. That walk didn't really last very long, but just getting a bit sketchy, like with the tent being fairly like I think it's about 15-minute walk away. We ended up putting the fire out before we went, and I've just got it back up. We're just gonna leave the other bag and a half till the morning, and then see what we want to make in the morning. I've got bacon, spam. I think that's just about it. And just got like sweets and stuff. I ain't having that for breakfast. It's all burning quite well though. Just gonna go to sleep now. Just putting the fire out, but like, damn rocks must be hot. I could have just let it burn out, but I want to go to sleep now. Just about to go to sleep now. Put the fire out. It's not too cold. I've just got up. Decided to just get the fire going. What's to pack up? Cause I slept quite warm last night, to be fair. I only got up once, which was at about, I think it was about 2:30. And I think that was just more of like, I felt a bit cold, so I just put an extra layer on. And I was warm. Was you warm?
Oh no.
You were freezing. Yeah, so I'm just going to get the fire going, let's pack up and make some breakfast. I've got bacon, spam, I think that's just about it. And then we'll get going. The fire's going good. It was spitting a couple of minutes ago, but it should only be starting to rain in like an hour. So I'm going to get food done then start packing up. We're starting to pack up now. We are packing up very late. Put the fire out and everything out, and then later on I might kick everything away. Move the rocks around and stuff. Trying to get everything in the bag, but I've no waterproof cover. And I need to figure out how to get this dry. I might found one of my t-shirts or something. I've got one there, and it's currently 12:54. Just boiling some water to clean all the pans out and stuff. I've actually run out of water, so I'm boiling Tango, but it's flat anyway. We're fully packed up now. There's a bit of a dry spot from the tent. It's fairly easy to put away. Bag's definitely a lot lighter. Someone did walk past earlier asking like if they're able to camp here. I just said, yeah, I should leave no tracer out. They said if I could leave the fire pit. I've just left the stones there. I've had to clear everything else out though. Apart from that, it all looks good. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like more videos. And the next camp should be next month, February. I'm not quite sure yet. It might be the same spot. Most likely not though. Thanks for watching. Bye.